So, guys, ito ang Studio PsyQ. Nakikita natin to na may mga cosplayers na nag-shoot dito. This is
The first theme studio here in Baguio City.
the co-owner, Sir
Rio.
Rio, co-owner of the Studio PsyQ, and we will visit it right now. And itutour tayo ni Sir Rio. Right.
Actually, this is our library team.
So, ang ganda guys. It's really good na you can see here na these are books and then may prop books dito. Actually, when I saw the photos, hindi siya halatang prop book. It looks really nice. Hindi na ako dito. Ganda ng theme. So sir, anong masasabi natin dito sa library natin?
Actually, Victorian team siya. And then, dinocus na lang din namin siya as library. Yeah. So, marami kaming ginagawa dito. So, parang ginajumble rin namin. So, pwede siyang ilipat-lipat yung mga gamit. At saka, yan, may mga baril-baril na.
Wow. Yeah. Wow, this is metal, guys. It's metal right here. Ito, napakagandang prop gun. Wow. And it's really heavy. It's really heavy. And feel mo yung feel ko to. Like it feels authentic na bakal siya. Yeah, and it's very heavy. Thank you so much, sir. So,
Sa second team natin, very traditional natin. So, we have winter and autumn. So, dalawa siyang team. So, nagagawa natin ng paraan kung paano nang shoot. Yan, kahit na mag-selfie tayo, maganda naman yung mga lightings natin.
okay. So, ang ganda nung theme. Again, very hindi mo halatang like plastic siya or prop siya. It really looks authentic. And yeah, ang ganda. I feel like I'm in Japan already. It is really cool. So sir, ito ang winter natin. Winter. So, iyon ang autumn naman natin. Let's check the autumn part. Ito, ang autumn part natin. Wow. Wow, it's metal again. It's really cool. And I thought na prop lang siya. It's authentic. Very authentic. So sir, ano pong masasabi natin dito sa dalawang natin?
So, parehas lang sila yung trend. So, parang pinagpalit na lang sila para hindi siya boring. Dati, ginawa lang namin siya isa lang. Nung in-expand na namin, dinagdag ko naman.
It's a really good addition, sir.
We have kimonos and this.
Oh, wow!
Yung tawag na dito? Shamisen.
Wow!
Yan, pwede siyang accessory.
Wow!
Legit na.
Wow!
Actually, pwede rin, nagpaparent rin kami ng mga kimonos dito.
Oh, so guys, alam niyo na kung gusto niyo na shoot ng Japanese style and makahawak ng ganito and makakuha ng authentic photos na Japanese version and nakita natin doon Victorian. Visit Studio PsyQ lang, sir. So may website tayo, sir.
Facebook, at saka IG, Studio PsyQ.
Okay. So, thank you so much, sir.
Actually, marami pang team. Tapos, actually, this is we call garden siya. Pero we call it Eve.
Oh,
Garden of-
again guys, ang gusto ko yung part na hindi mo halatang like fake to, like kasi the entire scenery na napaka cozy ng vibe. Wow. So sir, ano masasabi natin sa
Actually, ito, masikip. Maraming sinasabing imposible mag-shoot dito. Pero kung nakuha mo yung tamang angle,
Yes, sir.
tsaka wide lens, pwedeng pass.
Yes, sir. So yeah, I really love it.
Cyberpunk. Pero, on process.
Wow. So, on process daw tong cyberpunk themed room natin. Pero, I really like it na kahit on process, work in progress siya. Pwede ka mag-shoot dito actually sa caution tapes. It's really nice. So, anong masasabi natin sir sa Anong maganda dito sa natin?
Wala pa akong masasabi dito kasi nakukulangan pa ako eh. Ayan. So, magdadagdag ng lights at saka i-on namin yung mga monitors. Yan.
And may gun dito. Oh my gosh. Guys, again, this is, I think, is metal. Wow. Maganda siya. So, guys, kung gusto nyo ng cyberpunk shoot and mag-shoot sa mga ganito, alam nyo na Studio PsyQ. Visit lang here in
Number 14 Luacan Road, lower ground floor ng Fat Boys Playground.
So, ayun guys. For me, for sure, pupunta ako dito, babalik ako dito for the shoots. Alright.
This is our retro. So, 80s, 90s. So, kung nakaka-nostalgia again. So, pwede shoot dito.
Wow.
Pwede
So,
namin
retro themed guys. Makikita natin dito may mga cameras. Is this prop or talagang gumagana to?
Gumagana yung iba. Actually, this is my first camera.
Oh, wow. I can see the image na gumawa na pag mag-picture dito eh. Next time sir, pag mag-shoot ako dito. Pero tell me about the collection sir.
Actually, yan yung iba donation. Tapos, yung mga partners ko, si Noel, andito rin yung camera, si Sir Casey, andito rin yung camera. Lahat kami, parang linagin namin dyan. Tapos, parang dito, hindi lang camera eh. Parang yung mga character namin, yung mga,
ayun,
yung mga hilig namin, mga Akira, Bat, Slumdog.
Wow. So, talagang ang bigay na vibes dito sir is nostalgia.
Yes.
Nostalgia.
Wow. City Pop.
Really nice guys.
Pero ang process pa rin, may next month. Yeah,
Okay. So gaganda pa daw to. Work in progress pa lang daw siya. Pero for me, maganda na siya. Pero sabi ni sir, gaganda pa ang theme nito. So, alright.
So, white wall natin. So, ito pwede siyang customize. So, pwede namin siyang karoon ng kama, sofa. Yan.
Wow.
Kaya may request yung client gusto ko ng ganitong theme. So, parang pwede namin siyang i-customize. Tapos meron rin siyempre, hindi pa rin natin mawawala sa isang photo studio na plain backdrop. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
May white, may pink, may blue.
Yes, sir. So, hindi lang theme ang meron tayo dito, meron din tayong customizable area dito. So, that's really nice. And a lot of people really wants a plain background. So, really useful tong para sa photoshoot. Yun guys, napakaganda na itong Studio IQ. You should really visit for a photoshoot. And ang gaganda ng themes. Marami tayong pwedeng gawing photos dito. Marami tayong pwedeng kuning photos. And visit yung Facebook page na Studio IQ. And thank you Sir Rio for letting us film this studio. Thank you so much.
Pakilala ko lang pala ito. One of my partner, Noel. Yan.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Trinity Vlogger po. So, yun. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.